Yo, what is going on, guys? Today, you guys already know what's up. Just got a new carbon fiber hood. It is so hot, and this thing is heavy, but it's just the box that's heavy and all the cardboard and foam and everything inside. The hood itself, not that heavy. Oh, it is so hot. Oh my God. Okay, so before you guys think, like, oh my God, how are you getting all these parts? Oh my God, you're such a baller, you're so rich, blah, blah, blah. No, dude, first of all, I'm gonna tell you guys exactly how this went down. So what had happened was, you know, it was just any other night. Finished eating some ass, I went on the computer, I just started looking at car parts like how I normally do. And then I started looking at this hood again. I wanted to buy this hood last year, and instead I got the trunk. I knew that I would eventually get the hood, but you know, I just started looking and you know, I really wanted it still, and I was looking up payment plans for it. All I did was type in my information. As soon as the payment plan was about to load up so I can look and see how much everything was gonna cost, all of a sudden it said, thank you for submitting your order, and there you have it. I accidentally bought a hood. You really think I just have like $1,075 to just fork over right now? No. I still have other parts that I have to buy. But I thought it'd be really cool because content, and I've always wanted it, so fuck it, why not? And my insurance actually went down. Believe it or not, when I first got this car off the lot, my insurance was $460. Dude, it was more than my car payment. I could not believe it. Went 6 months just paying that ridiculous price, and then it dropped. Thank God it dropped. It went down to $391. That's still not that great, but it's way better than what I was paying before. And then recently, about 2 weeks ago, my insurance went down even more, and it went down to $241. Have a little bit of extra money now to just throw away. And now that we have that out of the way, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a hood. So Seibon actually recommends that you guys inspect all of their items before you sign any papers. So let's go ahead and show you guys the hood. Seibon does a really good job with packaging. I just happen to rip through it just so I can inspect it. But here it is. This is the Seibon carbon fiber TV hood. The reason why I got this one was because I really like the vents over here and over there. But yeah, what do you guys think? I'm so hyped on it. I've been wanting this hood for so long. There's only like maybe a handful of people who are running this. I don't know, I just love it. I'm gonna try to tackle this myself. Hopefully I can do it. So far, what you're gonna need to do is obviously just pop the hood. So I already went and popped the hood. You're gonna wanna remove the windshield washer, which is this. Once you remove the cover, which I did as well, it exposes the wires and you just detach them. And once that's done, I might tackle this first. Might be a 10 mil, just get this off, undo it, so then it'll like come down on its own. Still will be attached because these two bolts, so I'll undo those bolts. I'm gonna inspect the bottom of the hood just to make sure all the pieces fit in before I try to install it on here. Keep you guys updated. So I just found out that all you have to do is stick a flathead through here, lift up, and this pops right off. And then you could just lay it right there. So we'll go ahead and do the other side. Since I'm doing it myself, I am gonna need the hood to stay up a little bit while I undo the bolts on the side. So I am gonna need someone to hold this up for me. Oh. My lovely assistant. Alright guys, now I'm over here stressed out because I lost one of the bolts. Good thing I have this. It's kind of like the claw machine in the arcade, except this one isn't rigged. Yeet! Ah, I missed. If it goes deeper, I'm gonna be so pissed. Oh yeah! So hyped. Finally got it. Finally got it. Hood is off. Let's see how the car looks without the hood. Damn, that looks pretty sick. I don't know if you guys follow Taylor Enriquez on Instagram. His build is so sick. It's like the most VIP 3IS out there. He rocks his car hoodless at shows and it looks so sick. I've always wanted to do it because of him. All right, let's go ahead and get this carbon fiber hood on. this looks so sick. Love the vents. And there you have it. We have installed the carbon fiber hood. So I'm gonna show you guys fitment. It closes, everything's good, lines up. There's not much of a gap. This is fine right here. There's a slight, tiny gap here, but it'll look good once I paint match it. Let me know if you guys like it. Look at this freaking carbon though. Drop a comment. Let me know if you guys think I should paint match it, leave the vents carbon fiber, or just leave it carbon and rock it like this for a little bit. Let me know. All right guys, now that we got the hood on, I thought it'd be cool to take you guys out to a car meet. There is a Lexus meet. It's being held by LEXUS ELITES. It's a pretty well-known group over here in SoCal. The meet is over in Anaheim. Basically just a Lexus Toyota SoCal meet. Of course I'm running super late because so much traffic. There's like 2 accidents on the freeway. What's up, bro? Trying to mom to the meet. Bro, you going to the meet too? What's up? Who are you? Yo, I missed the stockies. I shouldn't have sold my stocks. Cause then you just rock them like on a rainy day and do some donuts or something. Oh, my back.
Love your videos.
Dude, thank you. I just set mine up. I see you, baller. If this dude airs out, I'm gonna be really pissed. White, white, white. Bags, 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 bags. Wow. Everyone's Lexuses are so damn nice, and everyone here is actually really, really nice. So this is an actual, later, this is an actual dope ass meet. Made it back into the valley. We're gonna go eat some fish grill right now. This spot is so good if you're trying to eat healthy. That drive was so long and it was so worth it. Huge shout out to all you guys that came out, and I'm sorry I didn't film so much. I was just trying to hang out with everyone and just pick their brains with their builds and all that stuff. I was just super thrown off, and thank you guys so much for watching my videos. For all of you guys that couldn't make it, really wish you would have been able to come. It was so awesome, everyone was so nice, and thank you again LEXUS ELITES for hosting this meet. I'm gonna try to make it to a lot more, just to meet everyone and just hang out. Here's one last look at the hood. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Oh!